Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix GCash unlocked bootloader for your protection problem. The first thing that you should do is to simply go to About Phone and try to turn on the phone to the developer options or the developer mode. So simply here, tap on your version, me version, just right here, tap on it several times till you find here an option saying or a pop-out message that says that you are now the developer. After you turn on the developer mode, you will now have to go back to the settings, scroll down till you find additional settings. After going to additional settings, go here to developer options. Once you go to developer options, here you have this option OEM unlocking. Just toggle this option off. And once you toggle this off, you will have to go back to the top and turn off the developer options, then restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you can open the GCash application and you will find that your problem has been solved. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.